channel. Yeah, me and my screwed up glasses, but anyway, that's how it works. Anyway, this is going to be my first video of many. I'm going to be showing you all how I put my computer together, but I'm going to do it step by step, one by one. Each computer that I'm going to do it step by step and show you guys what I've done to work on the computer, what it's about, how to set it up. It's, you know, kind of a real beginner view, just to let you know. I'm not going to give you all this speculation and everything else like everybody else does. That's fine, that's their business. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I did get from Amazon. I got this right here. Right here. I got that. It's the Amazon. It's an Asus Prime B450A.2. Okay, it's not the Prime. It's a Prime, but it's not the 450 MA. It's not the 450 MA CSM. It's the 450 MA second version. It's a really good one. I've been running it for a couple months. Yes, I did build my computer, but I wanted to run it before I can give you my recommendations on how it runs. And I can show you on screen how it runs. Just to give you a small little glimpse of what I'm talking about. I'm doing no jump cuts or anything else. It's just straight. I mean straight. I'm going to show you step by step and how I got things set up here. I'm going to go ahead and power it on now. And I'm going to show you guys what I got going. See right there? Get a close up on it. Just to let you know, that's no jump cut. That's really going wild. I'm using a portable camera and I'm doing this all on my own, so you bear with me and be patient because I'm doing something I've never done before. This is my first time, and hopefully many more with you all, and you know, especially with this here, you know, y'all can see that. I'll pull it back here, but I built this and I'm gonna put this up on the net in YouTube, let y'all know. I got many more coming along, so you all be patient. I have a lot more coming along. Let me go ahead and alrighty. Let's go ahead and switch over and show you what I've been working on. No jump cuts. And I'm going to show you on hardware info what's going on here. So that way you all can see it, I'll bring you to it. Right there. I'll bring it up close. It's got the Ryzen 5 5600G. It's the Cyan. It's running at 4.2 gigahertz. It's got the clock speed of DDR4 3200. and we got the Vega Radeon, AMD Radeon Vega 7, the Cheyenne. See, with the system graphics is this. Basically, you can go inside the motherboard BIOS, and you can turn around and you can set it between 512 megabytes of system RAM all the way up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, system RAM. So don't get it wrong, that B450 motherboard might do more than you think. And that's 128-bit. It's got 828, and it's unified at 448, which not a lot of people were telling the truth about what is going on with that. But I discovered myself that I knew that it was somewhat chopped down by I knew it was chopped down somewhat by AMD with their updates. That's what I was hearing. So, but it is running at 4.2 gigs per second. And thermals, the thermals on there right now, I just started up the system, is only running at 94.8 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, Fahrenheit. I'm an old cook. I believe in Fahrenheit, not Celsius. So you have to bear with that. That with me, just go on the net and Google it, Fahrenheit to Celsius. That'll tell you what the deal is. But the VRMs, it's a what is it? It's a six phase plus 2. So the VRMs are pretty good. It's a 6 phase plus 2. I have this totally set up the way I like it. And if you know, y'all want to see I'm just giving you jump cuts right now. I'll go ahead and go into the BIOS and show you, give you a little hint of where I'm going to be going with this. So smash the delete button. I'm only doing one computer at a time. I'm not jumping around to several computers, because that's basically what I don't want to do. You know, it's not fair to everybody. They want to know each computer, what's inside it, not going to another computer, coming back to that, going that's confusing. That's confusing. And I've noticed that when reviewers were doing their viewing, they're showing one stack of something else. Why not show you the whole computer? You know, why not show you the whole computer one at a time? Show the build. Don't show everybody else's build. Show your build. Show what you play on. This is what you play on. Don't show everybody else the build. Come here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here. See that? Right there. And if you can't see it, just let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to tell you what it says. Look. 31 degrees Celsius. There's your Celsius. Motherboard temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. Okay? Give me a break. Customize. Look at that. And guess what? That's it. There's nothing else to this. Let me flip y'all around here. Oh, hold on. Oh, I don't want to tip you. Hold on a moment. Look. it's not hard to set up the BIOS in this. Believe it or not, I know nothing about this BIOS on this motherboard. Nothing. So I'm going to tell you like this. If if I can set it up, I know a beginner can set it up. Because what experience do I have? Not much, but we're going to learn together, believe it or not. It's going to be a lot easier that way. In this way, I can say I've done it very carefully. The way this computer's set up is this. It's got the AMD, or no, it's got the Asus B450 M/A2 motherboard. It's got the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. No graphics card. I'm running no graphics card with this. Okay, it's got the Corsair DDR4. And it's the really good model too. It's 3200 CL16. Now, besides that, I got DS. I got some DS fans. They're really good, but they come with a remote. This is the key trick to having good RGB in your computer. Do not run it off the motherboard. If you want to have great RGB, do not run it off the motherboard. Take out all that crap programs, put it on one of these. Get a combo. Get a combo with the hub in the back that plugs directly into the SATA port that plugs directly into the fans. So it goes from the SATA port to the hub to the fans, and you get one of these. $89. The processor was $139. Okay. The CPU cooler was $21. This is all on Amazon. The case I paid $49 for. And the fans I paid, was it $28 for the fans, the combo kit? So do the math. I mean, it's not hard. It's not rocket science. So, and the M.2 slot, I have a 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte. Let's see, Crucial. That's the 2280. And I have a regular platter hard drive. That's 500 gigabytes. All in one package. So let's see. It's not that expensive. I think I paid total with discount from Amazon. I paid like $330. So overall, I gave you guys an insight of my first PC that I put together. But I know you all didn't see that. But I did put it together as the sleeper build later on in further videos. So I'll link that to this video so you can go over and look at the sleeper build as well. So you can see that's the first motherboard that I used on the first video. But I do have other builds as well. That motherboard that you've seen, I put into the sleeper build. So I will follow up and put a link for you guys to see the sleeper build. But anyway,
If this is your first time here, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. It would be much appreciated. Until the next time, we will see you on the next one.